10 6.5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what's going on, y'all. SES and I'm back with another one. Let me put my seatbelt on. So yeah, man, we drop ships and stuff to a lot of shops, man. And that's how you know, man. It's just one person making it happen. Let me tell y'all what Amazon be doing, man. I purposely stopped sending stuff to my house because I be moving. And these folks will just leave stuff at my gate. Same thing with UPS and FedEx. I don't know if FedEx ever did, but literally all of them, they'll just leave stuff at my gate. A year or so ago, a little bit more than a year. It wasn't last summer, it was the summer before last. So the summer before last, man, these folks shipped about $10,000 worth of grills to my house and left it outside the gate. The stuff say signature on it, signature required, which means you cannot drop it off without a signature. You can drop it off at a pickup location, but you cannot drop it off without a signature. $10,000 worth of grill. Matter of fact, it was $11,000. I remember $11,000 worth of grill. I called TIARRA like, hey, y'all ain't put no signature required on it? I said, yeah, look. It was UPS. I said, yeah, look at the label and check under the barcode. And yeah, it said S/S, which means signature required. And the folks just left. I'm like, man, what if somebody would have stole my damn grills? Like, I'm glad that I be checking my notifications. I got everything on alert, so if anything comes, then cool. Cause I don't always feel like running to my box like 15 minutes away. Sometimes I have the time, so I just killed all that. So look, let me tell y'all what Amazon did. This is before I start going Amazon Prime heavy. So I ordered three Scar ZVF 12s. For the silver Chevy in the TIARRA 5K. And the TIARRA on sale too. It was like $353 for Cyber Monday. The silver's on sale too. It was like $250 each. So 3 12s in that amp. The 3 12s got delivered, and them folks left it outside of the pickup spot of the UPS. They left it outside. I was like, shoot. So if something happened, it ain't on me. And I updated the hours on it. I updated don't ship on Sunday because they close on Sunday. Don't ship after 5 because they close. And them folks still be doing it. I'm like, man, you know what? Something go missing. And then, bangers in here, in the 5K in here. So they said, yeah, we only signed for one speaker in the amp. Well, these two packages, that's what they said, these two packages. See what all right, let me go get my kids some food. Then I'm gonna go to the big shop. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go home and drop the stuff off. And she gonna get her phone. And then, matter of fact, we can do some unboxing too. Yeah, we can get it. What y'all back on to say? Man, I can't tell y'all how impatient I am to drive this car. Like, man, I really want to drive my car. This car is my car, like, start to finish. Blue one too. ZVFs hitting on. I got a feeling they beef, man. They beef, big beef. Let's see. This is a big speaker. These some huge magnets, man. This is a big speaker, man. I ain't gonna even cap to y'all. This is a nice looking sub for $250. 1500 RMS. Supposedly. 50 pounds. This with the box. The box only weighs 60 or so pounds. 1/4-inch birch, double baffle. But I'm gonna have to make some reinforcement. I was going with the DDXs, but since I'm going with these 50 pounds, I'm gonna have to make a little contour piece that hold a magnet, because these pretty big. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to get me a forklift, because ain't no way I'm finna be lifting this by myself. This is a nice sub though. Yeah, 3 on. I ain't in no competition. I don't compete, so I don't care about nobody seeing. You feel me? So all them people who I don't pop my trunk type people. That ain't me. Gotta show what I got if I want to keep doing business. You feel me? All right, let's unbox the amp. It's pretty small. I'm not putting this on my car. I'm back showing brands now, even though I don't do that. It's a small bass knob. I know this a clip light. That was bass knob. Oversized. Yep. 2-0 inputs. Let me turn the light off. Oversized 2-0 input. Got the remote on the other side. Yep, with the speakers. Yep. I'm ready to hear this one. I ain't even for the count to y'all. I'm ready to hear it. Ooh. Next video, man. I got the next couple videos. I'm painting the calipers black on the dome. Taking these wheels back off and putting them back on the dome after I put my wheels for this car on the dome. There's another switcheroo video. The system in this truck video. I'm finna just flood y'all content, man. Cause I got too much cars and too much stuff going. Too many other cars, too many projects I'm working on. All these buildings, shops. I'm finna flood y'all by myself. But y'all stay tuned, man.
The next day.
Ooh. Can't lie, man. Those wheels do look good on now. So, I'm looking in here as far as my space setup as to what I'm gonna be able to do. And I think I could fit about 3 of the batteries. The North Stars. Maybe it'll fit 3 to 4 right there. They just so heavy, man, and I don't want that weight. But shoot, I don't want to spend $1,500 on batteries. If I get 3 North Stars, it's about $150, $450 plus tax. Be done. Then as of right now, I only have to do 1 run of 2-0. 1 run. But I say when you get in that real 5K range, I do 2. I think I got a total of 10 6.5s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 in the back deck. Yeah, okay, so I got 10. 2 in the back console, 2 in the front console, and then 2 in the kick panels. Yeah, so that's what that's doing. All right, so I'm trying to think. I'm hoping I got enough highs and mids. So I think I got 4 tweeters. Yeah, I got 4 tweeters. 4 tweeters, 10 6.5. So hoping I got enough. So sometime real soon, I gotta go ahead and get this roof cut. Everybody's asking like why the roof was sitting on there. On Facebook, they was asking me, like, you gonna put it in or this is coming out and giving it away? I don't want to deal with this. I do not want to deal with this here. And like I say, no bass been playing on the car or anything. And I got that. Yeah, all this gonna be new. I think I bought some of this stuff for this car already. Door seals. All that gonna get done new. I'm gonna end up sewing these pieces. There you go right there. I'm gonna end up sewing all this. French seam that. It's the back window trim. French seam that piece. French seam that piece. French seam that piece. I got the thread and material already. Time is coming. Time is coming. The time is coming. Yep. That is why it's coming out. I can't ride like that, man. Can't ride like that. So this gotta come off. Drip rail. This ain't gonna have to be replaced anyway. But I found out how all this come apart.
The next day.
Got the wide angle on. Man, that thing dropped a little bit. Still got about 400 more pounds, 400 more pounds to go back to some 4 batteries, that one I choose to do. 2 more amps for the highs, amp board. The way I made this box, I made it low enough for me to still be able to do just a like a 5-piece trunk. Got the piece right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5-piece trunk. But yeah, man, looking good, boy. Man, I'm getting my motivation back, man. Like I said, I gotta make time for my own stuff before I end up hating this stuff. But it's coming, it's coming. I'm telling y'all, the time is coming. Y'all ain't never heard me excited like this about my own car. Cars. Blue Chevy first, though. Like I said, blue Chevy, this car, then this car. But this car, like I said, this car is from scratch. All me, start to finish. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm finna get back to work. Yes, I'm out.